Keith, I got out there today for a little bit, and you said it earlier, the sun today, fantastic, and it sounds like this is going to be about it.
Yeah, until the weekend. But
sure.
In between, we're going to cloud up, prepare for some rain, which Aaron touched on. Obviously, we need and we have a high tolerance for. So at least the soil has a high tolerance for. I can't speak to everybody else. Temperatures in the 60s today, average high 68. So we've gone through this pattern where we were so above average and then we snapped back over the weekend. And we've been a little bit below here, 64 in Portland, officially 66 in Bangor. Otherwise, though, a pleasant day. The cloud cover kind of bubbled up through the middle of the day. Then a lot of those clouds dissipated in the afternoon. So we have a nice late afternoon heading into the early evening, which is going to be pleasant. We've got a bunch of rain to our west here. And we've kind of dodged this the last couple of times, right? We've had situations this month, certainly, where we've had rain on the radar across the Ohio Valley or the Midwest, but then the high pushed it to the south or to the north or just diverted it. In this case, the high is going to retreat, and this front is going to be able to move in as you normally would expect when weather is coming from the west here. So we start clouding up later on tonight, and by tomorrow morning, we're largely cloudy. There will be a couple of spots with some peaks of sun, particularly along the coastline, maybe early tomorrow morning. But I think by 10 a.m., we're clouded up. Temperatures are really struggling, upper 50s to around 60. Onshore flow giving us some showers from the ocean, also some showers coming in from the west here, so there'll be some sprinkles around in the afternoon. I don't think it's particularly heavy stuff, though, through the afternoon, and then by the evening we start to get more consistent rain, especially from midnight on Wednesday through Thursday morning. And Thursday morning looks just rainy. I mean, there's really nothing else to it. Temperatures are stuck probably in the upper 50s. Maybe we kiss 60 here, but it's rainy. It's a bit cool through the day on Thursday. It's raining Thursday afternoon. Some kind of convective look to it Thursday later in the day where there could be a rumble of thunder involved in that. And then an isolated sprinkle on Friday morning as this system wraps out of here. We should be able to get some late day sun on Friday, and that launches us into what looks like a pretty good weekend. As far as rainfall amounts, the models have in general been trending upward with this. And to put this in perspective, a couple of days ago they had about 0.5 inches. I like to use winter terms on you sometimes, right? Okay, so that would be, you'd be talking about 5 inches or so of snow. Now we've got 1.5. So all of a sudden, whoa, it'd be a foot or more of snow. So that's the amount of moisture that we've increased here. I don't know if we'll get to 1.5, but it looks like a lot of models are popping us over 1 inch of rain. Again, we could use it, we'll need it. Whatever we can get is positive, up to at least 3 or 4 inches. That system moves out, high pressure builds in, and the weekend looks good. I think Saturday is a little cloudy, but Sunday looks really nice. We'll call it partly cloudy, temperatures in the low 70s, perhaps some mid 70s out there. Monday looks really solid too, mid 70s, a lot of sunshine there, and then maybe some showers again on Tuesday. So after really fighting off rain much of the month, we're getting some here, maybe some into next week. Next week, wait, is that officially? No, okay. The 30th is Monday. I was trying to see if that was still September in my head.
When October arrives.
And then we turn the corner. So we basically will end up with one rainstorm for all of September, the way it stands.
Strange month.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.